can you detach and let go of your desire for it to come to you faster? We're going to be talking about 3 ways in this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure you subscribe, and that way you'll never miss out on another law of attraction video on my channel again. Actually, click the bell. That way you're notified every time I upload and you don't miss out. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about 3 ways that you can let go and detach from your desire, from what you want to manifest. Because the reason you want to detach and let go is because a lot of the times we get so attached to the outcome that we're giving a vibration of lack. Like we're telling the universe, I don't have this, I don't have this. We're like just over and over, I don't have this. And that's what attachment does, is you're telling the universe that I don't have this and I want it. Being detached and letting go of your desire doesn't mean that you forget about it or you ignore it. It just means that you're releasing and letting go of the fear and the doubt and the worry and the anxiety that comes with wanting something. It basically means you're not obsessing over it anymore. You're kind of releasing it into the universe. Sometimes we want something so bad that we just become attached to it, and just the idea that we want it so bad and that we don't have it, it causes anxiety and doubt and worry, and just you obsess over it, and the universe matches what you're feeling. So if you're feeling these things like towards what you want, you're creating a block, and it's like not going to be as easy for you to attract that into your life. So in this video, we're going to talk about 3 ways to get rid of this like attachment, so you can manifest faster. Letting go and detaching shows us, and it shows the universe, that we're putting trust into the universe, that we trust that what we want is on its way. And when you do this, you're just releasing all the walls and all the fear, blocks, worry, stress. You're just releasing all of it. So the number 1 way that I love to detach and let go of is cleaning. This is a very powerful method to attract things to yourself, because when you want to bring something in, sometimes when you clean away junk, dirt, garbage. You clean these things away, and it's kind of like you're telling the universe, like, okay, I'm getting rid of stuff that I don't need. I'm getting rid of stuff that doesn't belong here, because I'm making room for new things. So reorganizing, cleaning your purse, doing the dishes, like any of these things, you're getting rid of dirt. You're getting rid of dirty things. You're reorganizing so that things look better. And the universe is just going to match that. Like when you clean something and then you look at it, you feel better. Like it just feels nicer to look at something clean. So the universe is going to match that feeling when you feel good. The second way that you can detach and let go is to do something that will raise your vibration. So instead of just focusing on what you want to attract, you want to do something and switch your attention and focus to something that makes you happy. This could be painting, dancing, singing, going for a walk, playing with your pets, watching YouTube videos, watching your favorite shows. Do something that makes you happy and makes you lose track of time. When you're doing something and you get so lost in it, that means that you're in the flow. And when you're in the flow and you just completely forget about the time and everything else, that's a very, very powerful way to manifest. That the universe just starts working even faster to bring you what you want. Now, I know that it's not always easy to just switch your attention and just forget about things. So there are stuff that you can do and use to lift the vibration, lift your own vibration, lift the vibration of your home. And I have a few videos on my channel where you can lift your vibrations with incense. You could use scent, you can use smells. There's 3 different smells you could use, and I'll leave those videos linked down below for you guys in case it's not super easy for you to just lift your vibration. And also, I do make my own spray that I use to lift the vibration of my area and like just clear out negative energy. This spray you can make at home yourself. I have a DIY that I will leave linked down below, but it is a spray that I use sage and roses. Sage clears out negative energy, and roses actually vibrate at a higher frequency than humans do, so it's perfect to lift the vibration of the area. If you're interested in making your own spray, then I'll leave the video link down below, but I do sell my own. And the reason I sell my own sprays is because I actually charge them myself, and I also have a like secret ingredient in here that I put that is very powerful in lifting the energy and clearing out negativity. I charge this water with a mantra over 1,000 times. It's a very, very powerful mantra to get rid of obstacles and clear your path and get rid of negative energy. I'll leave a clip of how I charge it right here. But the reason I charge the water is because if you guys know, there was a doctor, his name was Dr. Emoto, and he studied water, the effects of water his entire life. And what he realized with his experiments is that water holds a lot of energy. Water retains memory. So he did experiments where like he would speak really negatively to one glass of water and then speak very positively to another glass of water. When he froze those two waters, the negative one froze in chaos and very ugly, and the positive water just froze very beautifully and like Christmas snowflakes. So it's very powerful, the way that water works and the way water can hold and retain energy. So that's why I love to charge my sprays with this mantra. So if you guys are interested in purchasing mine, you guys can go on my website, which I will leave linked down below. But if you guys want to make your own, go ahead. It's so easy and it works. It lifts the vibration of the area, clears out negativity. Sage is known to clear bacteria from the air, so when you spray this in the air, it clears away all the bacteria. The third way that you can let go and detach is one of my favorite ways, and this is reading and watching success stories of other people who manifested what they wanted. Now, you could do this by watching The Secret. You can also do this by watching other people's videos on YouTube of how they manifested, what they manifested, and then you could read success stories of manifestations. Just Google that, and there's so many inspiring stories, and the more and more you read them, just your vibration just automatically goes up. You don't have to even do anything. All you need to do is read them or watch them. This is a very powerful way also to get rid of the doubt and the anxiety and the fear that you have waiting for what you want to manifest, because you're looking at all these people and it's just crazy the things that they manifest into their life. And you know, it's from the smallest things to the biggest things, and like whatever you're trying to manifest, try to like read and watch stories of those people that manifested what you want to manifest, and it just raises your vibration. It inspires and motivates you so much. It puts you in such a good mood. You believe more. It's just a really, really good way to let go and detach, because you're still focusing on it, but you're focusing on it in a positive way. So you are letting go of all the worry and the obsessing. It makes you hopeful and it gives you a lot of faith. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful and useful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have a lot of law of attraction videos on my channel already, which I will leave all linked down below. I also have a series. I have a herb series, I have a crystal series, and I have an oil series where I talk about the benefits of different kinds of herbs, different kinds of crystals, and I will leave those playlists linked down below as well. I've already done a video on the amethyst crystal and all the ways you can use it, what it's good for, so if you guys want to check that out. And also I get a lot of questions on my hair. So I do cut my hair and color my hair myself. If you guys are interested in those videos, I will leave that linked down below. I get tons of questions for that, so I want to just make sure that you guys can get to it easily. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!